Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So love, today we are going to be losing my hair. I want to take this is a 1 month hair update. Okay, so this is my hair in 1 month, just 1 month of making mini braids, and this is what it looks like. So you can see this is growth. Okay, this is growth. These are all growth, and I want to lose it and take it down and rebraid it. So from this part, I've already done this back side. So you guys can see I've done this back side already, and I want to do the same thing with the front part as well. So this me doing this is, I started yesterday and today is second day, so I might not do all. I'll do half, then tomorrow I'll continue, and when I'm done tomorrow I'll show you guys everything. So I need to see, all these are all new hair growth. I want to braid them back, and why I'm doing this is because I'm doing an experiment. Normally when I braid my hair, and I carry it for 2 months in a row without losing it or rebraiding it. So this time around I want to rebraid it after 1 month and see the loss I am going to achieve, or the hair fall I'm going to achieve. Because when I leave my hair for that full 2 months and I'm taking it down, doing the detangling process, everything is always really hard. Like when I say hard, I mean hard. So I'm looking for an easy way out. An easy way out though, when taking down my braids. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vlog or the video. See, like this one now has tied together. See, this one has tied together. So I need to carefully separate it. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I'll be using condition. This condition. I'm using this condition to spray my hair. Then I'm going to be using this hair growth tea. Okay, and I'm using flaxseed gel. This is my flaxseed gel. And then after I'm done, I'll put oil on my hair and butter. But anyway, let's move. Let's spray this one. Sorry guys that I am just doing this video with mirror, because I need to see what I am braiding and what I am doing with my hair. That is why I'm doing this in the bathroom and using mirror. So I am going to be using these two and I'll braid them together. I'll use these two. No, sorry, mistake. Yeah, these two. I'll use these two and I'll braid it together. So I'll use these two and I'll braid them together to make it one.
Don't deny it, why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna
I'm done losing my hair. Then I use my tea. This tea is already in my channel. Do want to check it out. This is a fresher batch. Okay, so after using the tea to hydrate my hair, I use my hand, finger detangle. Then I go in with the flaxseed gel, apply the flaxseed gel on the hair. Make sure that the whole hair is covered with the flaxseed gel. So use my hand to finger detangle once more. Okay, then I braid the two hair together, and that's it. So I'm going to do the same thing all over my hair.
I'm so hypnotized, yeah. You're here in the morning, but it's all in my head. I don't want this to end, to end.
So I have done this one, okay. Then these two, I'm going to do the same thing. The same thing I did to the first one. I'm going to do it to the second, to this particular one now, to this two right here. Loose, join them together and plait it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is the next day. I'm done braiding everything. This is the outcome, and yeah, so I'm going to be carrying my hair like this for another 1 month. Okay, so I'm applying oils on my hair, and I'll also be applying butter on my hair, on my scalp, everywhere. I'll be using oils and butter. The oil choice I'm using is the lavender and rosemary. I said in my previous video I'll keep on using the lavender and rosemary for the whole 2 months on these mini braids to see the growth I will have both in my front edges and all. Then after this, I also use my scalp massager to massage my scalp as well. So if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share with comment. This is what the outcome looks like. Okay, yeah, this is my hair right now, and we're going to embark on another 1 month on mini braids, and this is the breakage, or will I say hair fall, I had after taking down my braids. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Please stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. I'll catch you guys in another hair tea or butter or oil. So bye guys.